Free Dr. Malachi Z. York. I'm reading his publication, The Holy Tablets, and it's some very interesting information that I would love to share with the collective. I'm going to start at 41. It states the sun was one tremendous mass, a planet called Om. This solar system was one of 19 planets that surrounded a more massive sun called Sal. Sal was named after its original ruler, Sal or Sol, whose wife was named Arena. Their combined rulership gives you the name Salarina or Salarina, shortened to Solar or simply Solar. This massive sun, Sal, collapsed and exploded outward, and Om got caught in the gravitational pull of Sal, and it exploded and gave birth to your son, Shamash. All 19 of the planets were hurled off into space and exploded to create 19 galaxies in space and beyond galaxies. I recorded as Population 1, Population 2, Population 3, and Population 4. And on Population 1, galaxies are based on their age. And from hundreds of thousands of years old to 25 billion years old. Population 2 is from 25 billion years old to 100 billion years old. And Population 3 from 1 trillion to 25 trillion. Population 4 is from 25 trillion to 100 trillion and on. The Milky Way, from Latin via way plus lactea milky, which is the 18th galaxy, taken its name from the Greek sea nymph Galatea, from the Middle English Galaxia. The Milky Way, from late Latin galaxies, from Greek milky, from Gala, Gallic, meaning milk. This Milky Way galaxy exploded again to create the present solar system. The new heavens and new earth will reveal a second and third sun. Yet at this point, you have one sun called Shamash or Hallis, and 10 planets called 1 Mercury, 2 Venus, 3 Earth, 4 Mars, 5 Jupiter, 6 Saturn, 7 Titan, 8 Uranus or Uranus, 9 Neptune, 10 Pluto, and on the outside, the 11th planet being Meldeck, and also Planet X, another name for the 12th planet. When you include the sun and moon as planets, it becomes Nibiru. This was the making of the 18th galaxy, ruled by the signs of the zodiac called solar biology. This all took place 76 trillion years ago. It's called the birth of the universe from triple darkness. Luna wanted to rule the whole universe. So he used over 30 million tons of atomic energy to blow up Tiamat. Now, Tiamat predates Tiamat. Tiamat was actually a larger, bigger planet than Tiamat was, okay? Thinking that it would shift the orbit of the planets and cause a planetary collapse or star holocaust. He was originally a humanoid type Meldeckite from Gaga, Pluto, who lived on Tiamat. After they had crashed down and he tried to rule all beings on Earth, the Meldecians and their slaves, the troglodytes, also known as Masmakuya, have been using the vast seas of the planet Earth for billions of years as a home base under the Bermuda Triangle, also called the Angel's Triangle. So according to Dr. York's publication, the crystal pyramids on the bottom of the Bermuda Triangle were actually placed there by the troglodytes, aka the Meldecians. This is an example of how those aquatic reptilian beings look. Now, again, the smaller Meldecians were about 4 foot, but the larger ones were about 7 foot, and they had very large heads. And this is exactly why they have to make us aware that UFOs are in the water, okay, and that the waters are occupied, because these beings actually been inhabiting our waters for millennia, all right, and they have whole civilizations right underneath the water.